Hello and welcome to this project on Intel image classification. So in this project, we will be working on Intel images, that is images of different streets, buildings, forest, etc. as you can see here. And we will build a convolutional neural network, that is a CNN, and we will train it on these images. It is a multi-class classification problem, and to solve this problem, to make this project, we will use Keras. So the steps to solve this problem, to make this project, involves: first, I'll show you how you can mount your Google Drive on your Colab notebook. After that, we will visualize some of the images that we will be working on. Next, we will analyze the dimensions of all the images and verify if they have same dimensions. Next is the important step where we will convert these images into a NumPy array and we will normalize these images. After that, we will check for class imbalance. We will check how many images are there per class. Next, we will split this data and perform the one-hot encoding on the target data. After that, we will create the model architecture in which we will define different layers that will be used, like conv2D or max pooling 2D and all that. Then we will compile the model using the loss optimizer and metrics, and finally we will fit the model. After fitting, we will plot the accuracy and the loss against each epoch, which will show us how our model is learning. After that, we will pre-process the test data and make the predictions on it. And in the end, we will visualize the original and the predicted labels for the test images. So this project can be used for educational purposes and to get a better understanding of how to create a neural network architecture, a convolutional neural network. You can further hyperparameter tune this model or any CNN model to reach a higher accuracy. This project has a vast scope. It can be used to classify satellite images, drone images, Google images, and every other sort of images into different classes like sea, mountain, buildings, etc. So let's get started.